Hi folks, thanks for watching the HurtSkurt sizing tutorial. What I'm going to do to start is get you some sizing, how you're going to size yourself when you are sizing yourself for a HurtSkurt. What I have here is just a measuring tape. What you're going to do is you're going to measure your areas that you need to use the skirt on. So I'm going to start, I'm just going to do my ankle here. And right around my upper ankle is a 10-inch circumference. You can go around, you're going to do your calf. That's 16 inches there. Just above my knee, 18 inches. Up to my upper thigh, we're at 24 inches. So those are some areas you're going to measure if you're going to be using it on your leg. And then of course you can do your arm as well. Same kind of thing. Measure around circumference. My wrist is 8 inches. My bicep is 14 inches. So you can get all these vital measurements and find out what's going to fit you best where. We have 3 different size skirts. So we have the small skirt. The small skirt is primarily used for ankles, calf, elbow, wrist. Can be used on the bicep. So this item is 4 inches here. If you measure across the top when it's just relaxed, 4 inches. And this is 5.5 inches tall. So you see when you slide it on, it's going to just slide right on. There's no harnessing or anything like that. It's just a flexible ring. And this thing is frozen. So you can hear that. It's frozen solid. Still going to stretch for you. So I said my wrist was 8 inches. So this very comfortably fits on 8-inch wrist. But you'll see that you can pull it up. So here it'll slide up, go right over my elbow. Still perfectly comfortable. Can still bend my elbow, even though this thing is frozen solid. And then you can keep it going. So that's the beauty of this product. It's going to stretch to fit. The more it stretches, the more compression you're going to get. So here I said my bicep's 14 inches, and that's going to go up to my bicep, no problem at all. And then, of course, you can also use this on your calf. You can put it right over your pants, and it'll go right over your foot. Slide right up. So I said my calf was 16 inches there. And you can see it easily will slide up on my calf. So this one, we don't really recommend it for knees. It's not going to work well on knees for most people, just because it's going to be a little tight. But it will go up to 18 inches in circumference and still be comfortable. So kids can use them on knees. Smaller people with smaller legs could use it on their knees. But the majority of people, you're going to want to go to the size medium or large for a knee. So that's the small. That's how the small works. Slides right off. So here we have the medium. The medium is going to be 5 inches across when relaxed, but is 9 inches tall. So this one, you'll see, has 2 layers of gel packs in there. They're 2-inch by 4-inch gel packs inside. So this one is going to work the same way. Like, some people can use it on an elbow. It might be too big for some people's elbow, but it'll slide up there. And it doesn't have to be tight to be useful either. But this will go all the way up to the shoulder. You can do your upper arm. People with bigger arms, bodybuilders with big biceps, this could be a perfect piece for that. We have arm wrestlers, professional arm wrestlers that love this product for their bicep. So then here you go for the knee. So this is where it's really meant to be, designed to be on the knee. You see how easily that slides right up. And even though, again, frozen solid. It'll bend, you can walk around, makes it very easy and convenient for therapy. So the beauty of this one is the 5-inch original diameter there will stretch. So even when frozen solid, I had said my upper quad here was a 24-inch diameter. So you'll see very easy, this slides up to 24-inch. We don't recommend it go much more than 24 inches. It might be able to go a little bit bigger than that, but you don't want to tear it. But it does very easily go up to 24 inches. So with the medium, easily on your leg, easily on your calf, it's going to fit the vast majority of people. Unfortunately, we can't say it's going to fit everybody, because there are certainly some people that are going to have larger legs than one of these will fit. We are working on some different sizes for the future. So the difference between the medium and the large is just the panel height. So this one's still 5 inches, 5 inches along the top, but this one's going to be 13 inches tall with 3 panel sections. So what we did this one for is for combination in your leg. If you want to do, people with knee problems might have to do their calf and include the quad in the knee. So this will go up, and it just is a larger coverage area. The same 24-inch diameter as the medium. So this can go, all the way up over your quad, your hamstring, and it'll get your knee and even down into your calf here. And again, still going to bend, still going to be perfectly flexible, even though it is solid as a rock. So that's it. And then of course this can also be used for arms. One of the reasons we developed this larger size is also for, again, like the arm wrestlers, baseball players. This will go full arm, so pitchers who, in between innings, keeping their arms warm, you can have it for warm therapy, for after the game, icing down, inflammation. You grab a frozen one. Super easy, super convenient. You just slide it on and off. While in the dugout, take it right off. And then lastly, you can also use these as a compress. So you can take this and always just use it as a flat compress on your neck, on your shoulders, lower back. We get asked a lot about back, so the beauty of this being a loop is you can take your own belt that you have at home, slide it through there, and you can very easily put a belt through that and use it on your back and be able to still move around. So until we develop something specifically for the back, that's a solution that you can still use this product. So I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, please contact us, sales@HurtSkurt.com, and we'd be happy to help you. Thank you.